In this quick tutorial, I will show you quick tips on how to translate 1688 Chinese shopping app from Chinese to English language or whatever language of your choice. Whether you are using iPhone or Android phone, consider to watch this video. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Starwa, or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to translate 1688 app into English, both on Android and iPhone. Very quick tips. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up our 1688 shopping app. So after you open up our 1688 shopping app, so we can decide to translate the home page like this. So what we need to do is to simply make a screenshot of the home page. Okay, after we make a screenshot, we can simply exit from the 1688 shopping app. So next thing we want to do here is to simply open up our Chrome browser. So having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this camera icon right here. This is also known as Google Lens. So just click on that. Then it's open up this way. Next thing you need to do is to simply select the picture and click on Translate. So in a few seconds, it's going to automatically translate it from Chinese into English language. So you can simply zoom out just like so and begin to read every point right here. So you can see. Alternatively, if you want to change from Chinese to another language, what you need to do is to simply click on English language right here. Then you have a variety language you can simply select from the option right here. What you need to do is to simply download any language right here. So after a successful download, you are going to have it offline, just like this and this. Now, if I want to translate from Chinese character to German, I will simply click on Germany. Since I have already downloaded it and installed it on my phone, then automatically it's going to translate everything from Chinese to German, just like so. So take a look at them right here. You can begin to read everything here in German language. So we can go back here and take it back to English language, just like so. Everything works in a few seconds. Okay, now we can simply exit from here and go back to our 1688 shopping app, just like so. So let's say we want to check on any store right here. We can simply click on the store link right here. Then after click on store link, it takes us to this particular page. Right here, we can simply make a screenshot from the Chinese character like so. So right here, I'm going to make a screenshot. Then I will head over back to my Google Lens. So right here, I will click on my Google Lens right here. Then I will upload the picture. Then make sure it's still in translate, just like so. Now we can simply read the name of the product. So the name of product right here, Treasure of the Store, European and American Punk Core Clown Joints, Men and Women Halloween. Okay, so, and then Carnival Supply Performance, Short Gloves, things like that. You can read about the shipping. Shipping fee in Jingun start at 5 yuan. Pay now, delivery within 3 days. So serve, then freight insurance, 7 days, no return. Late shipment will be compensated. Scroll down, specification. They have 3 colors of this item. One size is available at the moment of making this video. Then down below here, we have product evaluation. These are just feedback from the previous buyer. The gloves are so durable and stylish, very satisfied. The quality is very good. Foreigners are very satisfied. So things like that. Shipping is fast, 5-star, good quality, 5-star. Then you can begin to scroll down right here. So here is add a purchase cart, place your order now, then collection, shops, and customer service, things like that. So basically, this is a simple trick on how to translate Chinese shopping app 1688 from Chinese character to whatever language of your choice, whether English, Portuguese, Italiano, etc. Whether you are using iPhone or Android phone, these are quick tips on how you can get them translated without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.